Hi! Welcome to the Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off precise location in astronomy location services on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the Screen Time, scroll down again and click the Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then after that, in the Content and Privacy Restrictions, click the Location Services located on the Privacy section. Then in the Location Services, scroll down again and click the Astronomy. Then in the Astronomy, find the precise location, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just click it to enable until it becomes green. When the precise location is enabled, allow apps to use your specific location. With this setting off, apps can only determine your approximate location. And if you want to disable, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off precise location in astronomy location services on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.